Alright guys, we are here with a Baseball Superstars 25 card pack. It is from Three Brothers in a card store. Never heard of them. I've seen them before, and I got this for Christmas as a gift. So we're going to open it up and see what's in here. See some Top Series 1, some old school Sports Illustrated. Bernie Williams on the back here. Let's see, Bernie Williams, a Sports Illustrated card. We got Jim Hunter, Bo Jackson, Donruss Triple Play, Paul Molitor, Edgar Martinez, Hayward, Davidson. These are all in really good condition. They're like pack fresh. Whoa. Whoa. That's shiny. Jerry Brown, Dempsey, Freddie Peralta, and Vlad Gutierrez. So it looks like it's just 25 baseball cards. Some cool stuff here with the Bo Jackson and the Bernie Williams, but nothing super crazy. This looks like it's from 1999 Fleer. There you go.